Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get mint glove in slap battles, easy method. Start by finding a low population server and equipping high slapping power gear to farm coins efficiently. Focus on quick rounds and safe spawns so you accumulate currency without losing progress. Once you reach the coin threshold, head straight to the shop and buy the mint glove before others notice the spawn pattern changes. Warm up with short, safe farming runs to steadily build coin totals toward the mint glove price. Focus on weaker opponents and avoid prolonged fights that cost time and lives. Play during off-peak hours to improve spawn chances and reduce competition for drops. Maintain consistent resets and bank your coins frequently so you never lose a large amount to an unexpected defeat or server chaos. Keep a close eye on the in-game shop so you can purchase the mint glove the moment it appears. Save backup funds so unexpected price shifts won't stop your buy, and be ready to spend when the opportunity arises. After purchasing, equip the glove immediately and practice a couple of quick combos to feel its reach and timing. That practice helps you convert the glove into real wins in matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.